Guys, how is everyone doing today? I hope everyone is fine. So, without wasting much of your time today, I would like to introduce you to a metaverse project called the NXTT. In case if you're wondering, the NXTT is a platform that has a replica of the real planet Earth, both in size and shape, where you can buy, rent, or even sell your NFT lands. But in this video, we are not going to be talking much about how you can buy or sell land in NXTT platform. So you can see this platform is a new project and I think it has a lot of potentials. So this is going to be a serious jam in case if you are interested in joining in this trend. If you want to learn more about the NXTT, kindly check on the description of this video. I'll be dropping my referral link. You can register and I will also make a video on how you can buy your own spots, your own land in the NXTT platform. So the NXTT recently launched their utility token, and in this video I will show you step by step how you can buy into this new project. It is only tradable publicly in a decentralized exchange. So you can only trade that at the moment, you can only trade that in Uniswap. So I will show you how you are going to actually buy the token using your mobile phone. So stick to the end of this video as I'll be showing you every step how you can actually buy your own token and every other thing that you need to know in this platform. So to buy the NXTT token, I would like you to move over to CoinMarketCap, and here in CoinMarketCap you click on this search icon and then you search for NXTT. So here is it, the NXTT. So currently the NXTT is trading at this price, 0.007427. So this is the current price of the NXTT token. And if you want to buy into this project, follow these simple steps. Click on the contract address just to copy. And you scroll down to the bottom of this page. Scroll down to the bottom of this page and you will see the platforms where this token is being traded at. So right now it's only trading in Uniswap. So if you want to get some of the NXTT token, click on Pragmatic paired with NXTT. So it's going to open the Uniswap, and here we have to connect our MetaMask wallet. If you are using Trust Wallet, you can also do this same thing. So let me show you how you can connect your MetaMask wallet. First, you have to change here because this project is a project under Polygonmatic. You have to change here to Polygonmatic and then you click on Connect Wallet. So I'm clicking here, then I'm going to select Polygon. Then I will go ahead and click on Connect Wallet. And right here, once it populates this information, you click on Wallet Connect. So as you can see, it has already connected me because I've already linked my wallet before. But in case if it didn't appear like this, you just have to make sure that you select MetaMask or select Trust Wallet if that's what you're going to use, and then it's going to bring you here. And once it connects, it's going to like kind of ask you for an authorization from the MetaMask in order to be connected. So you have to give that permission, and right here you will be able to see the balance of Matic that you have in that wallet. So currently I have only about 36.41 Matic available in my wallet. So I am just going to buy few because I have already bought this token actually. So I'm going to buy okay, before I type the amount that I will buy, I have to select the token that we are going to purchase. So I will click right here to select the token, and our token is NXTT. So let's type NXTT. Oh, now as you can see, the NXTT didn't appear, so that's why we copied the contract address. So I'm going to paste the contract address, and it's going to populate the NXTT token. So now I am going to click on import just to import the information. So see how it's going to happen. Click on import, and again click on import right here. So disregard this information. All right, so I have imported the contract address. So as you can see, I got some token here already. So I'm going to buy some. Let's say I'm going to buy about 10. I'm going to spend some of my Matic to buy some. I'm buying 10 Matic, and that is about $18. So this is just for the tutorial. So for the $18 worth of Matic, I am going to get, so this is what I will get. All right, so I will go straight and click on swap. So confirm swap by clicking it here, and I am going to select MetaMask. Then I will click on just once. So it's going to ask for permission from my MetaMask wallet. So I will give the permission. So right here is it. I will now confirm it. If I don't want to, I can reject it. So I'm confirming it. Click on confirm. So it is done, and we are waiting. So as you can see, sent transaction. Now I can go back to the browser. You see right here, it says completed. That means I've been able to purchase additional next. All right, so you can see my balance has changed. I will go back. I will go back to this place, Uniswap, and just waiting for it to confirm. And meanwhile, it has already confirmed in my. So while we wait for this transaction to confirm, if this is your first time coming across my video, my name is Chris, and you are welcome to Advanced BTC channel. I make videos on everything crypto and how you can massively gain from it. So always come back and check out on most of my videos as I'm going to be dropping more of content like this that will be so good for your wallet. So kindly click on the like button and subscribe on this channel, and click on the notification button as I'll be dropping videos. So remember, you must make sure that you have Matic deposited in your MetaMask or your Trust wallet before you can start this process. Okay, so as you can see, the transaction has been confirmed and the balance has reflected in my wallet. So now I have extra more Nest token added to what I've got before. So total I have about 5,537 Nest token. So that is it for now. I hope you like this video, and I hope you are going to take action now that this token is very cheap, because it's only available in a decentralized exchange. By the time it will hit to the centralized exchange, you can tell, you can really tell what will become of the price. So this is an opportunity. You can jump in and grab some of this token. So I remember myself, Chris, and always come back and check out my videos. Ham's BTC channel. We really are going to appreciate that. And remember that you can also use my referral link in the description of this video to register in NXTT platform. I would really appreciate that. If you have any question concerning this particular topic, kindly put them in the comment section. I will take out my time to answer some of your questions and explain how things works in this platform. This is a good project. I'm telling you now, it's a good project. It's going to make you massive income. You have to try this out. I'm telling you now. So I just found out, and I think maybe I should share the information. So here is it. Go and take action and increase your portfolio. Thank you, and see you on the next one.